Good afternoon guys. Magluluto tayo ng ngayon guys, seashells. Fresh na seashells to guys, kasi dito guys, yung binebenta nila nasa aquarium pa to, nilalagyan nila ng oxygen yung aquarium, kaya fresh na fresh yan. Yan guys, oh. Tapos yun ang mga ricados nila guys, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang, luya, siling pahaba. Fresh and tasty. Fresh and tasty yung niluto natin ngayon guys na seashells. Yun guys. Luto na yung seashells natin guys. Ayun. Fresh na fresh yan guys. Yan. Seashells. Tapos, lagyan natin ng kalamansi guys para bango-bango yung aroma niya at saka medyo masim-asim kaunti. Yan ang seashells natin guys. Yan, fresh na fresh yan, galing ocean. Alright guys, see you sa hapunan guys.